to Star Pinoy TV sa mas pinalakas, mas pinabago,
mas pinakwelang tambayan ng ating mga OFWs worldwide. My name is Brando Martinez.
and my name is Star Eds. Ako po si Jun Magsino.
Kaya mga ka-Star, welcome po sa Star Pinoy TV. Ngayong gabi, Eds, Direct June, andito tayo ngayon for the wedding party. Okay? Hindi lamang party ito eh. Parang may concert yata.
Yes, it's not just a wedding but it's a wedding concert. So, abangan natin kung anong mangyayari. There are some singers who will perform tonight and what else? Performing also. Direct June will be performing tonight.
Okay, ano yung task mo ngayon, Eds?
My task tonight is to take care of those VIPs.
VIPs?
Yes.
Talaga?
May VIPs ba?
Oo, meron talaga. Anyways, mga ka-Star, abangan niyo po ang buong pangyayari dito lamang sa Star Pinoy TV for the Pau and Christine wedding concert ngayong araw na to. Okay? Today is November 6. November 6, 2015.
Alright, November 6, 2015. Yes, it's November 6.
Yeah. Memorable.
Yeah.
Bakit kaya ginawang, nagkasabay pa tayo, ano? Bakit kaya ginawang, ano?
June? Usually kasi the usual is June bride.
Kaya nga.
And this time, Christine and Pau,
Decided to make an
alright, November 6.
And malalaman natin yan later. We will ask them kung
Yeah.
bakit November instead of June bride.
Yan, task mo yan, ha?
Yeah, sure.
Ang task ko rin dun sa backstage dun sa mga performers tonight.
Yeah, abangan natin. Sino-sino kaya yung magiging performers nila ngayong gabi? Maliban.
Let's try to find out later.
Okay.
Thank you.
Kaya maliban dyan mga ka-Star, abangan nyo po kasi mamaya yung isang task ko po, doon po sa kainan. Siyempre, kung may party, mayroong kainan. O,
Yes,
diba?
yan.
Diba? Ganun. Nagagutom na ba?
Hindi pa naman.
Hindi naman. Kaya mga ka-Star, abangan nyo po kami dito lamang sa Star Pinoy TV dahil dito,
Star ka! Hi, ma'am.
Hello.
Hi po.
Hello po.
You are here for the groom or the bride.
For the bride, Ate Christine.
So, kaibigan ka ng bride. Katrabaho mo pa.
No, kaibigan po. Simulang college.
So, ano naman yung wish mo or advice sa magiging mag-asawa tonight?
To the newlywed, congratulations, and then love each other more and more every day to infinity and beyond. That's all.
Yes, how about you, ma'am?
First of all, I want to congratulate the newlywed at sana yung pagsasama nila parang mga stars sa kalangitan na sa gabi madilim man pero lumiliwanag pa rin para sa kanilang isa't isa. Thank you.
Wow, ang sarap naman nun. Are you married?
No, I'm single. I'm currently looking.
Wow. So maraming salamat po and enjoy the night. And we are here sa mga kaibigan ng bride and groom. Of course, all boys. Hi, sir.
Hello.
Pwede ba kayong magpakilala?
Ako nga pala si Robert.
I'm Harold. Harold Cacho. Si Chiboy. Mark.
Rick,
Eman,
James. And syempre, hihingan namin kayo ng wish para sa couple tonight, sa ikakasal. So any message sa kanila, any wish?
for Pau and Christine, may they have a fruitful and blessed marriage all throughout their lives.
Yes. Fruitful.
Ato Pau and Christine, Pau, alagaan mo si Tintin. Alam mo, nagulat din kami before na nagkita, yung sinabi mo before, sino si Pau. Then after awards, nagulat namin, Pau, engaged na kayo and happy kami doon. At ito na, kasi alam mo naman, we wish you happiness. Be blessed, both of you.
How about you, sir?
Boon, Pau, best wishes, congratulations.
Yes. Yes, thank you very much, guys.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, roll.
Kung kanina all boys ang nakasama natin and ngayon naman makakasama natin ang all girls, so sexy. Hi po.
Hello. Hello po, good evening. Hello.
Sino ba yung kaibigan nyo? It is the groom or the bride?
It's the bride.
Okay, any message for the couple?
Best wishes for both of you, and then may you have a very good marriage life ahead, and good luck.
Congrats to both of you. Ayan, best wishes and congratulations. Lagi niyong tandaan na ilagay si God sa center ng relationship niyo always. Yun lang, congrats!
Yes, narinig ko always ilagay si God sa kanilang relationship. Thank you very much po. Hello guys!
Hi!
And any message for the couple?
Yes, to the newlyweds, we wish you all the best in the future and hope you have a happily marriage life. That's all. Okay.
Thank you. How about you, sir? Best wishes and good luck. Everyone, you give your...
Best wishes and good luck! Thank you.
Sa kasalan, merong handaan. Kaya andito po tayo ngayon mga kastar. Kaya titingnan po natin isa-isa kung anong mga inihanda po ni Pao at ni Christine para po sa kanyang mga VIP guests. Kaya heto na po. Kaya samahan niyo pa ako. Ayan, pansit, pampahaba ng buhay. Yan ang sinasabi nila eh. Ayan, pakipokus nga. Ayan masarap. Sino kaya nag-sponsor nito? Meron ding, I don't know kung anong tawag nito. Basta pagkaing Pinoy. Ang, tawag niyan, imbutido? Imbutido pala, ayan. At of course, ito, surprise. Parang hindi ko alam kung paano to tawagin. Basta yan lang muna mga kastar. Kaya maya-maya after the wedding, after sa wedding concert yan mga kastar, abay sabay-sabay po tayong magkakain dito para po sa kanilang wedding party concert ni Pao at Christine. Kaya mga kastar, standby lamang dito lamang sa Star Pinoy TV.
Okay, there you have it. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Hello, sir.
Hi, hello.
Hello po.
Any message for the newlyweds?
Yes, to Pao and Christine, first of all, congratulations. And may the God be always with you, with your future husband, and of course, Pao with your future wife. May the Almighty God will bless you both.
Hello po, good evening. I just want to say congratulations and God bless the newly wed, Pao and Christine. We wish you the best. Thank you.
Yes, maraming salamat po, ma'am, sir. At ngayon mga kasal, kasama natin ang isa sa mga principal sponsors. Hi sir.
Hi, hello.
How are you?
Doing well.
Any message for the newlywed?
Yes, Pao and Christine, congratulations. Today onwards, you will be traveling the road to forever together. I wish you the best and a more blissful life. Just take note of your promise that you are going to stay together for better or for worse. Congratulations.
Yes, maraming salamat po, sir.
Very significant for the newlyweds.
At ngayon mga kasal, kasama natin ang parents ng bride. Hello po.
Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
Wala akong masabi kung hindi masaya. Ano pong pakiramdam ninyo na ngayon ay married na po si Christine?
We're so happy for her. She found her soulmate and match, and we wish her all the best. At can I take this opportunity to thank SPTV and 90.5 Heart Family, produced by Ma'am Aida Atante, and to the whole staff. Maraming salamat po sa support ninyo sa amin dito sa aming event. Thank you very much.
Maraming salamat din po for inviting us. And for you sir, any advice po sa newlywed?
Masasabi ko lang sa ngayon, nag-asawa na nga itong panganay kong babae. So, sana maging maligaya sila, umunlad sana ang kanilang pamumuhay, magsipag sila para umunlad sila. Kasi kapag wala silang sipag, hindi sila unlad. Ganun lang po ang sasabihin ko sa kanila. Message ko sa kanila, sana magpapakabait sila.
At si Mami po ngayon, anong advice nyo sa inyong manugang na ngayon ay binigay niya si Christine as his wife?
Well, nakita naman namin na Pao is napakabait na bata, and we know that he will take good care of Christine more than we do.
Yes, maraming salamat po ma'am sir for...
Thank you very much for the good evening. Thank you.
Hey Pao, hi Tintin. Ngayon ang big day nyo at I wish you all the best sa bago nyong life bilang couple, and wala na ako ibang maihiling pa kundi yung habang buhay na happy, and sana biyayaan kayo ng maraming supling. Pwedeng pang volleyball, pang basketball, o kaya pang soccer na team. Joke lang pala, sorry. Basta Pao din, kahit na you are already a couple, but then don't forget us, okay? Kasi we're still friends. Thank you so much, and wish you all the best again. Thanks.
Thank you. I'm here, of course, for Pao and Christine. I'm very happy that the two lovers already have, disdain for each other. So, best wishes.
And advice po.
Advice, well, I think, love is unconditional, so just respect each other, love each other, and always listen to your parents. That's the number one thing. When you listen to your parents and you have faith in God, everything will follow. So just take my advice and you'll be successful.
Yes, maraming salamat Sir MJ for that very nice advice.
Thank you.
At ngayon mga kasar, kasama natin ang tumayong mga magulang ng groom sa wedding na ito. Hello po.
Hello.
Hi po. How does it feel po to be the parents of the groom for tonight's wedding?
Well, it's overwhelming and I was really very happy that I was chosen. Kasi naman, I know them too, but it's really, I feel great that I was chosen as a parent for him, for Pao.
Yes, sir.
Ako naman, very close kasi sa akin yung couple na to eh. Kaya it's so hard to say no to a good friend. And happy to know na pinili nila kami na maging to represent the parents of the groom. So that's it po. Thank you.
Any message po and advice to the newlywed?
Well, I wish them luck throughout their years and hopefully it will be going smoothly as partner in life and God bless them.
Just a simple note to congratulate the newlywed, Pao and Christine, a happy life and looking forward for more kids. Thank you.
Yes, maraming salamat po.
Sa SPTV, maraming salamat po. Special mention po, Mr. Rani, thank you po. Sir Jojo, thank you so much. Yung effort na ginawa nila, napuyat din sila. Yung transpo, grabe, para lang po sa preparation nito. Kuya Rolly, maraming salamat po. Sa mga performers at dancer, gusto ko pong magpasalamat kasi nagbigay kayo ng oras tayo mag-practice para po dito sa event na to. Sa BYB dancer, maraming salamat po. Sa DC po, thank you. Thank you po kay Betong for making the layout sa part po namin. Maraming salamat bro. At sa extreme dancer po, maraming salamat. Alam ko po, marami pa po organization dito na tumulong po para maging possible ang event na to. Pero hindi ko na po ma-mention lahat. Pero from the bottom of our heart, kasama po ang asawa ko, buong pamilya po namin, lubos po kami nagpapasalamat sa inyo lahat. Again, thank you so much.